Can you give us your top, i.e., most valuable metrics to monitor with Splunk APM?
I think the answer on this slide, lays it out pretty well. Um, Definitely check out that docs page. It talks about the metric sets. But let me show you one more time. Let me just share real quick, and I think I kind of showed you this already, but just to reiterate, because I think it's super important. Um, if you investigate an APM built-in dashboard and you look at all these charts that are populated in these APM dashboards, what you'll notice, the thing that really stands out immediately is if you look at the signals these are built off, you'll see service request, you know, to get the request rate, um, error rate. You're going to you see it again, but there's just different filters applied, so it's the same signal, but we're filtering it by looking for the requests that only contain, error flags. We can group this by service names, endpoints, whatever. But yeah, if you're looking for like that first metric to really kind of get going and get off to the races, check out service.request. I think there's like 7 variations of service requests that'll give you like really meaningful information right out of the box. But that's not the only one. There's a whole list of them in that documentation for monitoring metric sets. But yeah, if I had to pick one to get started, I'd say look there first.
Yeah.
And actually, sorry, quickly, Brad, you might have to reshare again, but we got another question. Is there a way to compare that dashboard you just showed with a baseline, like last 1 hour, last 4 hours, last day, compared to today?
Oh yeah, there is. Um, Now that doesn't happen right out of the box, but I can point you if it's something that you wanted to explore on your own. I can tell you what you would want to look at. Okay, so you have a let's say you're going to build a chart on a signal like something like CPU utilization. There's a You can apply functions to these signals, one of which is a time shift. So the idea is I might want to look at a line graph of CPU utilization, that's streaming in now, but I might also want to, like, on that same chart, have another line that reflects that same signal 4 hours ago, 1 day ago, 1 week ago, whatever. This time shift function that you can apply to these signals is exactly how you do that.
I believe there's also a dashboard that is out of the box content that is it's called the executive dashboards, and it's specifically comparisons of high level metrics for different parts of the product and usage over time compared on, I think it's 4 and 12 week periods. And that one's specifically about understanding uptake or changes in usage of the product, but it provides you all those same kind of patterns to kind of extend on that idea of using time shift as Brad just showed. So it's got some kind of useful patterns in there. But yeah, in the product, we don't have a way to say pick this time and compare them like in that top bar. It was just not the focus of signal effects or observability.
Want to sign up for a future community office hours? From community.splunk.com, select events, then office hours Ask the Experts to register for a session across platform, security, or observability. Hope to see you in the next one.